Little Charlie enjoying little bit of nature. I've got to lift him now, you know, when he's ready to come in. Over there, just lift him over there. You be careful, Charlie. Oh, he's already slipped on the kitchen floor. A nervous wreck. I put him some healing frequencies on, you know, through Alexa. So that's playing already. Yeah. Oh, bless him. Oh. Do you know what though? He don't moan. He tries to stay happy. Don't you? You do, don't you? No, it puts me to shame when I moan. Yeah. All these little ailments. Yeah, cutie chops, aren't you? Yeah. And you can't see hardly. He's nearly fully blind. Oh. You be careful. Right, listen, I'm going to go because he might, you know, I don't want him to fall. It's beautiful. I wish I could, you know, I wish I could just heal him. Yeah, I do, don't I? Naturally heal him. Oh. Yeah, I don't know where she's put her poop bags. If he has a poop out here. He suffers from incontinence as well, so like, you know, she has to put pads down the kitchen floor. Like big, like nappies, but pads. He lost his sibling, you know. He was 16. That was, I think, 2 summers ago now. And his sister were heartbroken. He was 16. He called Jack. My sister keeps insisting on, you know, paying me. I said, I don't need pain. I don't want to be paid. I'm not doing it for money. I want just to help this little guy here. I'm not doing much anyway, you know what I mean? And I would hear tops, you know. But she didn't realise it's a huge favour to me, you know. Get away from there, up there. I love it. Gives me something to bloody get up for then, doesn't it? As well. Yeah. Don't want money, I don't need it, do I? I'm not gonna, you know, enjoy doing it. So I don't need. I know what she's like though. But no, not a chance. You don't need pain, do we, Charlie? No. No, no, no. Didn't see that any of the Bentley car passing while I was coming down today, so anyway, got my phone out pretending I was, you know, just in case. I had to put my boots on as well. I thought I wasn't gonna, but then I thought, well, you never know nowadays. Might need to do a bit of kickboxing for self-defence, eh? Yeah. Fake coppers can wear them, you know. I'm not going to run from anybody, I'll tell you that. Yeah. Right, I'm going to go because, wait a minute, I don't want him to try and get down himself. Right, bye guys.